In this question, x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 4 is given as 24. X minus 2 is equals to 24. Now we can't do this. This is absolutely not allowed because this property is only valid when this whole thing is 0. Here we can't do this, so we'll simplify them. We'll multiply them one by one. So we can write x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 into x minus 4. Here this x is going to multiply in both of these terms. So x into x is x square minus 4x. Same with 3. 3 into x will be plus 3x. And this would be minus 12 is equal to 20. We can simplify this a bit. X minus 2 multiplied by x square. We can add or subtract the like terms. Minus x minus 12 is equals to 24. Now we'll multiply x minus 2 in this whole equation. So first x is multiplied in all of these numbers. So we'll get x cubed. X into minus x is minus x square minus 12x. Now minus 2 is multiplied in all these three numbers. So minus 2x square plus 2x and minus into minus is positive 24 equals to 24. Let's add or subtract the like terms. So x cube, these are like terms. Together they'll give minus 3x square. These are like terms. They will form minus 10x. And 24 minus 24 is 0 equals to 0. Now in this equation, if you notice, all these terms have x. So we can take an x common. Taking common means basically dividing from the term. So if we take x common from x cube, it's x cube divided by x. So x square is left minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. Now this forms a very basic quadratic equation. What we want is 2 factors of 10. Here we have a minus sign. So factors of 10 whose difference is coming as minus 3x. 5 minus 2 is 3. So we can write this as x multiplied by x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. From the first two terms, we can take an x common. From the last two terms, we can take a 2 common. So this will give us x multiplied by, we can take an x common, x minus 5 plus 2 times x minus 5. Now, both of these terms have x minus 5 common. So in the next step, this would be x. We are taking x minus 5 common. So here in this term, x is left plus 2 is left is equals to 0. Now we can use the property. The product of 3 numbers is coming as 0. This is only possible if at least one of these numbers is actually equal to 0. Otherwise, it's not possible. So either x will be 0 or x minus 5 will be 0. That will make x 5. Or x plus 2 will be 0. That will make x minus 2. But this is still not the answer because question said we want the sum. What is the sum of all the possible values of x? We still don't have the sum. So sum is equal to 0 plus 5 minus 2. So sum is coming as 3. This is going to be the final answer. And this also.